Okay, Paul, this one's for you. You wondered what I had in here that was 25 years old? Well, get a load of this. In here is an old Aviox 1005 2Y. And at some time I made a water jacket for it, and I've had it in a little MHZ cat that went like stink but didn't corner for beans. And for a speed control, I have a Schulze 1897, which means 18 NiCad cells and 97 amps. I've got to run a separate UBEC, and because of the fact that this speed control has no idea what lipos are, I've got a lipo alarm that's going to go on here. Anyway, I'm filming this now. The video that I post will start with this thing going into the water. I don't know how it's going to run, but we'll see. So until then, jet out, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, YouTubers, we're back. And I'm here at Lake Poway, and I'm putting on my iPhone headband, and over here is my friend Steve, who lives nearby. Hi, Steve. And we are going to run the Dona. Now, I have no idea if the camera's pointed in the right direction. I'm just hoping it is, and we're going to run it this time without a turn fin to see if my left trim problem is prop walk or turn fin drag. So this is going to go real fast in a straight line, and it's not going to turn for beans. So it's going to be go fast, go slow, turn. Go fast, go slow, turn. So here we go. The Dona without a turn fin. Will we have to get the rescue fishing pole? We shall see. No, we'll find out soon enough. What is that? Is that something hard? Yes, that looks like something hard.
That's a stick sticking out.
Yeah, that looks like something hard.
I can see it all the way down to the bottom.
Yeah, I don't want to hit that. That wasn't there before. Uh-oh. Come on, stop. Stop. I'm out of radio range. Hello. Hello. Can I? No, it took off down there and it didn't respond.
There we go. A little test, I saw.
It just kept going wide open.
Yeah. Very impressive.
Well, it should be more impressive than that.
Get up on the tail, or you want to stay?
Now, you know what? I have no idea what went wrong.
That's pretty far out there. That's part of the vacuum cast.
Oh, you go down around that shore. No. That...
Want me to go bring a boat?
No. We can get it. I have a rescue boat.
Oh, okay.
An International Harvester farm boat. But I don't know why. Maybe I got out of radio range. Maybe my antenna was not in a good place. Oh. Now it seems to be going a little and stopping, going a little and stopping.
Yeah, it's kind of responding, but not.
That's a sign of some electrical issue of some sort.
Power? We're back in radio now? Is the steering at all?
That's full left.
Really? Barely any turn. That's right.
That's full right.
Look around that way.
It's still quite a bit of prop walk.
Yeah. So it's a American is rotating to the right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I don't like being that far out when I'm having issues. Come on, back to shore. I may have my antenna in a poor place. Hey YouTubers, I'm kind of giving up on my stuff, and here goes Wayne's little gecko. Now these are a hoot, except when they don't run. And let's see, can I zoom in? I think he needs to move some weight back, but that's kind of what a gecko does. There should be a whole lot of, hey, watch this when you run the geckos.
I just noticed a hazard to navigation over there.
Yes, there's something firm sticking up out of the water.
I think it's a palm frond, but I'm not sure.
I had Steve check it, and Steve looked at it and said it's something that it goes all the way to the bottom.
This ran real nice, and I have the speed meter in it, so we're going to see how fast it went.
22.
Huh?
22.
I don't know yet until I untape it and all that.
That's my guess.
Oh, 22?
22.
Okay,
YouTubers,
I'll take 23.
jet out. We'll tell you what the secret score is a little later. Wayne, would you repeat that for the audience, please?
22 miles per hour, maximum speed.
Did you say, damn it, 22?
Yeah, you guessed right. How'd you know that?
I have calibrated eyeballs.
Okay.
Until later, jet out. Okay, tubers, I'm back. Now take a look at this. This is what I like to see. Here's Mom and Dad, and they got their boy out here, and they're running model boats. Now, how cool is that? But wait, look at him go. Man, look at him. He's already a pro. Yeah, look at that guy. Oh, I like how you beach it. That's special. Now see, that was good. That was good. See, look at this.
Turn it all the way to the left.
Yeah.
There you go. And I'm little throttle.
The other left. How cool is that? So. Now, how old is he? About 5?
4. Yeah.
4.
Wow.
Oh, man, you're doing good. You're doing good.
Athletic 4, though.
Oh, yeah. See, I would have guessed 5.
Yeah.
Look at that. See, now he's getting it. He's good at it. Now Wayne is going to tear it up.
Do you want to take yours in and watch another boat for a while and then take yours out?
Yeah. Watch Wayne. Oop, see, oh, look at that. Dad's an old pro at this. Now, here goes Wayne. We're gonna
Put it the right way in.
We're gonna immortalize him on film here. Now this was the old mini sprint, or no, the mini cat.
It doesn't seem to be any faster than the gecko.
No, it's slower than the gecko.
Yeah.
Are you running 2S on that?
Probably.
That motor's probably low enough kV you could get away with 3S. Yeah, that should go a whole lot faster than that.
But his handle's good.
Oh yeah.
I've also got its cousin, a round nose, a shovel nose boat.
Was that the vacuum formed one?
No, fiberglass like this.
Really?
Same guy.
I didn't know he made a round nose. I know MHZ made one.
It's probably not very popular and didn't make a whole lot of them.
Well, the MHZ one we had a bunch of those. They were like 15 inches long. I still have one. Done up as a John Deere. Okay, for all you YouTubers, this is slow and boring, so I'm gonna go jet out.